Solo ride in the snow. Jesus Christ. It's a bit dangerous. Oh! Jesus! That's out of control. Yes, fresh pow pow. Oh, whoa! There's no control whatsoever here. Put the camera somewhere. Look at this nice fresh pow pow. Saw a little plane there. I'm just gonna get somewhere nice for the camera to mount onto or something. Whoa! That was shit, wasn't it? Is that a bermed corner? Even if it is, I didn't make use of it. Whoa! Jump! Wow! Oh, this is fun. Be good to do. Whoa! These ditches are new. Whoa! Can't see anything. My fingers have gone. I can't pull the clutch in. The Dunlop's holding up well. So it's quite rare we get to test a tyre in snow, but let's just say this Dunlop's pretty good. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh, it is hard to control that power. I'm going into baby map, see if it helps a bit. A few walkers been through. Had some nice Dunlop tracks to that. Come on, come on, you can do it. Yes! Rode up there the other day with no snow, like it's nothing. Bit of snow changes everything. Like this hill here, is there even any point having to go at it? No, I would have said not. Whew. Could probably get that actually. I wonder if you could get that in the snow. That'd be sick. It's big, that top though. Yes! Whoa, Husky Hill in the snow. So good. Man, my fingers are freezing. Can't hold on. I'm gonna have to warm up on the exhaust pipe for a bit. This is brutal. Oh. Be back in a bit. That's where you saw Bozza's swinging arm delete video for all the subscribers who've been watching the channel. Onto there, look at the mark still on the rock. I think we'll call that one Bozza's Bank. Yes. Luckily it's frozen, because under there will be Swampsville. Oh. This is difficult. Oh, stuck in somewhere. There's definitely some soft bits there. You. I'm so cold. I can barely ride this bike, it's that cold. Oh, these are swampy bits as well. Yeah, my bike's red hot. Bloody brilliant, lad. Oh, sketchy. What was that? I think my front wheel just demolished some branch or something. Yeah. Pow pow. Ah! No pow pow. Oh. Oh. No. That is cold. Oh my god. Wow. Oh, damn, that was a face plant. Whew. Hell. It's okay. It's okay. There's a lot of snow on there now. Man, is that still all working alright like that? Who knows? Oh. Oh, that did hurt actually. Never mind. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No. That's not good, man. That's not good. That is not good. Yes! Oh, don't think we should risk that much more. I thought we were going to be calling for an emergency rescue then. Higher gear is definitely better. Oh, we're carrying a lot of speed. I'm a bit scared, I'll be honest. Who's done them donuts? Ow! Bloody hell, was there any need for that? That branch just opened my, might leave them open actually now anyway. Just opened my air screen flap for me. Cheeky. I mean, I wasn't doing out today, so just thought I'd solo. Going solo. Right, let's get through here. Oh no, that start button's playing up bad. I must do something about it. Why do these logging people always try and make things harder for everyone? Well, when I say everyone, I just mean bike riders, don't I? Oh, look at this. It's beautiful. Uh-oh. Oh no. Ah! Wow. It's not easy to ride, but it's scenical. Look at the snow. know I'm going slow, but I'm trying. It's just all over the place. Oh wow. Oh, pow pow. Oh no. Wow. Oh, this is sick. Oh. Apart from the constant whippage to the face. Log. Another log. We're okay. We're okay, lads. Yes. Now that's a big log. With a ramp on it though. Might have to sump this one. Oh, yeah. We did a sumpage. Uh-oh. That's deep. Just following a few deer prints there. They'll guide the way, look. Could easily end up into some swamp or something. There's a lot of swamps under there which I know about, but obviously I can't see them right now. Oh, my fingers have gone. I'm absolutely lost feeling in all my fingers. Oh my days. Whew. Hellfire. Now I need my hand off to do that. Whoa, and then you crash. Nearly. It's like you've got to be out of control. Found a bog. Get me to the side. That was a deep section. Yes! When you get going, it's so fun. Trying to clock up them gears. Whoa! The back of the bike's just swaying all over the place. Zero control. Oh, well, I think I'm going to get back to the van. This is hard work. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Bosh! Right. We're deciding we're going to go back through it all. Because we love the punishment. And at least I got a track to follow. This is fun. Oh! Whoa! Nearly went straight on my face. The tyres just are so good. I can't believe they still work. I mean, the slippy. There's that swamp. Try and avoid that. Oh God. Oh, the sun glistening on the snow. This is sick. I can hear someone. Is there someone else out? The beater. Oh, Jesus. I hit something bloody hard then. It's a good bike, this beater, I tell you. I don't know whether to change or not. I do really like it. I'll tell you what as well. Don't stall it! Don't stall it! Don't want to stall it because that start button's not working. Are you okay? Is the viewers okay down there? Oh, just took the gopes clean out, didn't I? Never mind, you'll be alright. Alright lads, doing it, aren't we? The mount is completely clogged up with snow behind. Oh. Alright, come on. Microphone's probably not working because that's absolutely full to the brim with snow. Oh, bikes. Look at the bike. Let's get out of here. I'm cold. Really cold. Did you see that? I had to turn my head right round. That was Hawks. They looked a right goon then. Whoa! Oh, shizer! I just couldn't turn it in time. Oh, brilliant! Right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bosh.